Welcome back to the Nightcap. Tonight we'll be making a Kamikaze, so go ahead, like, subscribe, smash that share button, and we'll go ahead and get this thing started. So this is going to be a variation of Kamikaze in a martini style, so we're certainly not going to go ahead and do the shot. What we're going to do is build this in a shaker. So we got our Kettle One shaker, and with the Kettle One shaker we'll go ahead and get 1.5 ounces of Kettle One vodka in there. So we'll go ahead and pour that, measure it, get that going right there. So we got 1.5 ounces. Then we will do 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice that we have right there. So we'll go ahead and get 1 ounce poured in here, measure it out, get it down, perfect. And now we'll do 1 more ounce of the Cointreau triple sec. So 1 ounce of that on top of here. And we got it poured. So that is all we need to do tonight. We're going to go ahead and give this a shake. Got everything in there with the ice already. Okay, and now we just need to grab ourselves a frosted martini glass. Strain her in there. And there you have it, the Kamikaze. She's a beaut, Clark. Cheers.